So we got the factory UV cured aluminum oxide finish off with the 30 grit diamonds, edged it, and what we're about to do is progress up now that we've got the floor flat and the bevels out from 40 grit, 60, and then 120 on diamond mesh. So that's the plan. So the next phase in our sanding progression is going to be the 40 grit Bona Green ceramic 6-inch hook and loop disc. Let's take a look. It's one of the nice things about this light. Yeah, so it is getting them out, which is great. So that the Bona Green 40 grit is taking that 30 scratch out. So I'm just gonna take my time, make sure I get that previous profile scratch removed. I'll sand this whole thing with the 40, then we'll progress up to a 60. So this is the 60. This is 100 grit. So our last cut is going to be the Bona Diamond abrasive and the mesh. If you haven't used these, you definitely should. They are great for between coats. Just a great product. So the Bona Diamond, this is a 120 grit, and these are a 6-inch diameter. All right, so that was just a demonstration. Couple things: grip progression on sanding a wood floor with the power drive, which is a planetary sander. It's a 220 unit. If you want to see more on this unit, go to our YouTube channel and we'll put a link there for you to get there. The diamond discs, sanding discs from Bona Chemi were very aggressive, but the scratch pattern was spot on. We didn't tear out soft grain. It was a very acceptable scratch pattern to be able to continue our grip progression. So if you want to get a hold of a set of the Bona Chemi Diamond sanding discs that are 6-inch profile and a 30 grit, you can go to cityfloorsupply.com or give us a call at 800-737-1786 if you have any questions.